Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A73 5G, now you want to make the hard reset of your device. So let's see how can do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you're connected to any PC or Samsung device with a charging cable, and after that, just make a setup. You have to you can easily do this from your lock screen or home screen which you want. Just press and hold power button and the volume down at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up. So let's see how we can do this. Just press volume down and power button at the same time and the screen goes black, and then you just have to shift your button volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Just wait for this and then release all buttons. In this way you will open the BIOS of your phone. So just wait for it and just setup. Now you just have to make some settings, but make sure that your touch is not working here. So you just have to use these buttons to control this cursor. So let's see how. You have to press volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and press power button to select. So look for wipe data and factory reset here. Just select it, then press power button, then select factory data reset, then select press power button and then select the first option, which is reboot system. Now just press power button here and it will power off your phone and power it on again. In this way it will make a hard reset of your device, but first of all you have to make sure that you have the backup of your device, because it will remove everything from the phone. It might be photos, videos and your accounts, apps. So you must have to make a backup, and you can easily make hard reset. And after hard reset you can easily use the fresh new startup of your phone. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.